Hi guys, we are back. Today we want to speak about test lamp. The test lamp is a simple thing that is useful for repair electronic boards like SMPS or other electronic boards that maybe there is a short circuit inside the board. By connecting to the test lamp, you prevent damaging all components and maybe your own boards, because if you don't have a test lamp, short circuit can cause total damage to your components or boards. Okay, how it's work? It's so simple. First of all, you need a piece of wire connecting to the live, then connect to your lamp and continue to your load. And the other side, or maybe the neutral, directly connect to your load. Okay, in a worst situation that there is a low resistance short circuit inside your board, something like this happen, and your lamp lighting. From the intensity of your lamp lighting, you can understand the resistance of your electronic boards, how it is down, low or high, up. If there is a intense lighting and your lamp is completely light, you can understand that there is a low resistance short circuit, maybe 0 or 1 or 2. And if there is a less than total power of your lamp, you can understand that there is a short circuit, but it's no low resistance. Your power delivery to your load is limited by the power of your lamp that you use here. If you use 100-watt lamp, power delivery to your load connecting to 100 watt. You can consider this. If your load needs more power, your lamp limited. You can use a switch here for bypassing. After you sure that there is not any short circuit in your boards, you can close this key switch and bypass the lamps and directly connect your load to the main power, like this. Okay, it's so simple, and I want to show my own test lamp, that how I make it. Okay, I have a simple one. Here we have a power plug connected to the lamp connector. As you see, series connection. One of your wires cut here and connect to the lamp connector. The other side directly goes to these alligator clips. When we want to repair a board, we connect this alligator to my load as a SMPS board or other electronic boards, and connect this power plug to main power. After that, we sure that there is not any short circuit, we can disconnect this and directly connect boards to the main power. This is just for preventing drawing current, high current, and damaging your boards or components inside your boards. Okay guys, that's for today. Please like our videos if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.